Kapod mano mane wechego ni gavana mar kaunti ma Nairobi ochopo nyim od bura mar Senate kendo romo kod Speaker Amason Kingi ewi ywaruok kinde kod komiti marango kaka counties tiyo kod omenda CPAC ka oloso kod jofwamb weche alwora mar Senate. Sakaja nono ewi gima omiyo en ema tend obila ogoyo tach apisi mare kuom rem chopo e nyim komiti no, kata doko ni governors maromo 29 bende ne orem mar dhi e nyim komiti no ma otelne kod Senator ma Homa Bay Moses Kajwang'.
29 governors were called. Only 2 came. And those who came said they will not prosecute the matters. You have not resolved anything. I've appeared before it 30 times, before the Senate. Last week I have no problem. But we've taken a position as a COG. It's not about Nairobi. And so that is what needs to be resolved, that underlying issue. I've come here 30 times. I've come more than any of my predecessors and more than any other sitting governor. I was in my office.
They said they couldn't find him.
Not I have a private office. I was in my private office.
Governor.
Why come to my office at night? I was in the office the whole day. Who is in the office at 7? At City Hall.
Governor,
I was in the office the whole day.